Hi, this is Doug Eisenhart with Cambridge Engineering, and I'm excited to be talking to you today about two-stage evaporative cooling for industrial and manufacturing facilities. We are really excited to be talking about two-stage evaporative cooling for the industrial and manufacturing market segments. The reason we're so excited is there are three kind of mega trends that are taking place today in the industry, and they're pointing towards new solutions for customers, business operators, business leaders, facility leaders that are challenged with solving problems in their facilities. The first trend is that manufacturing and operational facility expertise is on the rise. Manufacturers are investing heavily in controlling their production environments. Like our own organization, we've got teams of people, shifts of people that are operating inside a facility that is under pressure from outside and inside conditions. So facility leaders, manufacturing operational people are understanding that they can impact safety, quality, productivity with the type of facilities and the HVAC systems that they use to control those facility environments. The second trend is that the dedicated outdoor air systems, the ventilation and design expertise available to people today that are running these manufacturing or industrial facilities is also dramatically improved over the last decade. Engineering experts, design engineers, are fully engaged in providing fresh air ventilation to control the inside air by using outside air. So they're improving working environments by the introduction of the right amounts of outside air and the right cleanliness of outside air, as well as the exhausting of contaminants from inside the building with process, whether that's manufacturing process, industrial process, or just equipment, forklifts, welding equipment, other production equipment that is actually putting contaminants into the space. So the use of outside air and ventilation strategies by the engineers is getting more sophisticated. The third trend is regarding evaporative technology and its wide deployment in the data center market. There is literally, I think there's over $1 billion of new equipment, new evaporative equipment, both single stage, dual stage, and what they call super cool technologies that are being deployed against the data center market, which is growing by leaps and bounds. So this third mega trend is that this proven technology should be or can be considered viable in industrial or manufacturing environments with the knowledge that not only are manufacturers seeking to create better working environments inside their factories, but they are also able now to control them better with the sophistication of controls and the experience level of the engineering community in design. So these three trends are very exciting for the engineering community that's serving the industrial market. Thank you for listening.